Hey everyone, Oscar here in the PreSonus studios to talk about the brand new Quantum HDs. Joining me today are both Maria and Aaron from the indie dream pop band Ria Rosa. Thanks y'all for being here today.
It's a pleasure.
Quantum HD interfaces come in two models, the sleek HD2 and the rack-mountable 8 Pre HD8. These are the culmination of 30 years of innovation, and frankly, they sound amazing. Before we get started, it's important to note that I have the latest version of Universal Control and Studio One installed on my computer. So what are we going to do today?
Today we have tracks from our single Better Than Nothing, and we will be adding guitars, keys, and vocals on top.
Sounds great. Let's go ahead and set some levels. Quantum HD makes it super easy with auto gain. So I'm going to press the channel select button, then press the auto button, and Quantum HD will start listening. After that, it'll find the appropriate gain. Let's get started. Perfect. Okay, here we go. Great. Maybe we can try some different effects?
That sounds great.
Okay. Quantum HD audio interfaces feature built-in reamp outputs. So this way I can take audio from my DAW and send it into a different amp. So this way I can mess around with different mic placement, effects, or even the amp altogether. Let's give it a try. Okay, we've got reamping set up in Studio One. We brought out the pedal board and we have our amp. So let's mess around with some sound.
Let's do it.
All right, we just finished recording our guitar and it sounds amazing. Aaron, how about we put some keys in this? That was fantastic. This is shaping up really nicely. How about we do some vocals now, Maria?
Let's do it.
These new Quantum HD interfaces feature our brand new MAX-HD microphone preamps, which have 75 dB of gain, and we also have high performance converters, which really shine in a dynamic vocal take.
I've learned so far to make it okay, but in the dark, yeah, I'll wait for the day.
These Quantum HD interfaces really pack a punch. With MAX-HD microphone preamps, guitar inputs co-developed with Fender engineers, custom low-latency drivers, high-performance converters, reamping, and that's just the beginning. On top of all that, you get 1 year of Studio One Plus, which comes with Studio One Pro, effects, virtual instruments, and more. Power your project with Quantum HD. Visit PreSonus.com for more.